Hello guys, welcome to our channel Homeopathic Trials. We come up with various videos on different topics of homeopathy and its medicines. The entire aim of this channel is to spread awareness about homeopathy and its medicines in all the common people. So please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and also help us to reach our goal of 150 subscribers with this video. Now without wasting much more time, let's dive into our today's video, that is Carcinosin. Carcinosin is one of the principal nozodes of cancer and is one of Dr. Burnett's different cancer preparations. However, Dr. D.M. Forbister was the one who explored this remedy and gave its complete detailed knowledge to our homeopathic world. This remedy is prepared from cancerous breast tissue, and such remedies prepared from a diseased tissue are known as nozodes. Today we are going to learn the mind of Carcinosin person by linking it with the famous personality of our real world, that is Elon Musk. Elon Musk is the founder CEO of Tesla, the richest person of the world. This same type of learning or understanding any remedy is followed in some of our previous videos like causticum and phosphorus. So check out the I box or the description box for the links of these videos. Any Carcinosin person's central feeling is having a desire to perform tasks or activities which are almost out of reach or impossible for any normal person. These people set very high goals for them and are constantly under the pressure of living up to someone's expectations. These people like to be in control of every situation they are in. The same can be seen in the life or personality of Elon Musk. If we see his childhood, he was a son of divorced parents, and no one could have ever thought that this child could ever become the world's richest person. It was absolutely impossible for him, but with all his efforts and intelligence, he was the one who became the world's most powerful personality. If we have a look at Carcinosin person's life, we will see that this person has suffered a lot in his life. This person has some prolonged anxieties or griefs in his life. These anxieties or grievous situations have been for many years. However, despite of all this, the Carcinosin person will never express them. Suppression is a very important theme of Carcinosin. This person takes a lot of insults and embarrassments in his life, but he never retaliates or expresses them. Here Carcinosin comes very close to Staphysagria. Carcinosin usually suppresses his emotions to maintain healthy relations, while Staphysagria feels that he is too dignified to retaliate back. The next important theme or symptom of Carcinosin is the quality of being perfectionist. This is because of the central feeling of desire to perform impossible tasks. In order to be able to perform these tasks, it is very important for a Carcinosin person to be very alert of his mistakes so that he doesn't do anything wrong which can ruin all his earlier efforts. Now this quality of Carcinosin is also seen in Mr. Elon Musk. He too is a very perfectionist and has great passion for innovation and science, etc. A Carcinosin person is extremely fastidious by nature. This too is because of his perfectionist nature. He wants every slightest thing to be perfect and on its place so that he doesn't make any mistake and can easily achieve his goal of performing seemingly impossible tasks. Here Carcinosin comes very close to arsenic in being fastidious. However, arsenic has this fastidiousness because of great anxiety or fear of diseases, while Carcinosin is fastidious as he fears that he will make some mistakes which will ruin all his earlier efforts and will prevent him from reaching his goal of performing impossible tasks. Now, let us understand some other interesting aspects of a Carcinosin's personality. A Carcinosin person is extremely artistic and also quite sensitive. They have a great interest for various art forms like drawing, painting, dancing, etc. Another remedy which is also very artistic in nature is argentum nitricum. Carcinosin person also has great love to explore nature. These people are highly anxious and they have several anxieties like anxiety about diseases or anxiety about their own health. These people also have anticipatory anxiety. They constantly fear that they should never perform any mistake in their effort to reach their goal. A carcinosin person gets offended very easily. However, on one hand, he is also very passionate and sympathetic by nature. Now, after understanding the mental personality of a carcinosin person, let us understand how does a carcinosin person look. A carcinosin person is extremely well dressed and well mannered. These people have fair complexion and blue eyes. A subtle hint for identifying any carcinosin person is that this person usually has numerous moles on his face. Carcinosin as a drug acts very well on the respiratory system, female reproductive system and gastrointestinal tract. We will have a look at each one of this one by one. Carcinosin is indicated in many clinical conditions like bronchitis, asthma and allergies. Carcinosin person acts very well in people having tendency to take chronic cold and cough, whooping cough and upper respiratory tract infections. Carcinosin can act really well in patients having deep-seated cough which arises from the stomach, which is aggravated by singing, talking or exposure to cold. Carcinosin being a remedy prepared from cancerous breast tissue, the main seat of action of carcinosin is female reproductive system and mainly the breasts. Carcinosin acts very well in cases of breast cancer where there are nodular, painful, hard and indurated swelling of the breast. There is oozing of offensive blood or pus from the breast tissue and the patient has severe pain in the cancer cases. Carcinosin, when indicated, can act wonders on GI tract. It acts very well in cases of indigestion where there is accumulation of gas in stomach and bowels. Carcinosin can act very well in cases of seasickness with the patients having vomiting alternating with diarrhea. Now last but not the least, we will have a look at certain symptoms which can help you confirm this remedy in our day-to-day practice. These patients or carcinosin patients have a personal history or a family history of tuberculosis, cancer, suicidal tendencies, or these people might also have some mentally retarded sibling, etc. A carcinosin remedy acts best in cases of insomnia in children, that is absence of sleep in children. Carcinosin people usually sleep in a knee-elbow position, which you can see in the picture besides. Carcinosin people have a great desire for chocolates and either they get aggravated or ameliorated, that is, either their complaints increase or get better when they go besides the sea. If you liked our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also do share your valuable feedback with us either through the comments section or by connecting with us on Instagram or by emailing us. For all these links, check out our description box below.